Hi friends, today in this video I am going to introduce you a beautiful restaurant billing software. There's two platforms are there. One is working in your Windows computer, Windows application. It is VB.NET SQL database project. And directly you can Wi-Fi through, you can connect your waiter application. This is the waiter application. Now currently for some few products we added images. I will show you how to add images. And let me show you how to take orders. Like for example, some customers came to your restaurant and your waiter going there and he's selecting table. For example, the customer is sitting in the table number 3 or somewhere, selecting table number 3. The red color is already occupied, means some people they are sitting and they are taking food. It's a green color, means it is free, yani nobody is sitting there. I select some food over there and I place the order. 3 dishes is there, so automatically you will get KOT over here. This is the KOT. KOT number 47, table number 3, everything is there. See, all informations. This basically you can connect to multiple printers. Like only one printer I connected here for billing and KOT all together. If you have LAN cable connectivity, like network cable, you can connect multiple printers. Like for each KOT, you can put each printers. So this options also is there in the software. So again, I am selecting that again the same table number 3. Again, this person he needs some other food also. So we will take the order like that. You can see there is some other food also we taken table number 3, and you can see all these details. So finally this person is saying that okay, I finished my food and I want to vacate. So here itself you can take the final invoice over here, table number 3. You need to tick on this tick mark. Click on this tick mark and save and print. So what will happen? The final bill will come over here. This is the final bill, and this order number, everything is there, and this QR code also is there. This Zatka QR code basically for Saudi people. So this invoice you will get very easiest way. So beautiful invoice basically. So let me show you how to connect this waiter application. It's very simple. You can connect to multiple waiters in the same applications. It's very easy to connect. So let me show you how to connect the waiters. So let me log out from here, 2, 3, 4. Go to administration control panel. And here we can see this registration here. Here I make some few registrations over here already. Let me make some new waiter over here, for example, Madhu. And you must select waiter over here like this, waiter. For Madhu, we can give a secret PIN number. I am giving 8888 MADHU, and email ID madhu@gmail.com, something like this I mentioned. And this hourly basis or monthly basis, you can select it over here and you can save. So you just remember what is the PIN number you have given here, and MADHU Madhu is the name. So what will happen? So here there is a QR code you can see. This is the QR code. Any person, any new waiter, he can install the application. We can share you through WhatsApp or something like this. So this person we are changing now, and before changing that we will go to configuration. Just scan this QR code for the connectivity. Just I am going to scan it. Immediately it will scan and save it. Again, and I am going to log in with the Madhu, and the key was 8888. Login. Yeah, it's very easy. So multiple waiters you can connect like that, very easiest way. There is no limitation that you can connect some limited numbers of waiters. There is no limitation. You can connect unlimited waiters, for example 10, 15, 20 like that. So this is the way you can control the waiters. So let me show you some other beautiful experiences. Like let me go to the home page again. Drinks. There are so many drinks are there. See, I select this drinks category and there is no images. Let me show you how to update this images very easiest way. For that, you can close this one, log out. 1, 2, 3, 4. You can go to the back office, and this you go to menu items, like bulk image update, and here you select this category, drinks. So all these products came here, like you can double click over here, this line, Coke 2 liters, Coca-Cola, save it, Coca-Cola 0, just click on save it. For this software, there is a capability to upload the images directly from Google Image Gallery. So whatever the name you are providing, corresponding image, automatically it will come. So it will be very easy to control. See, I updated some image over here. 4 or 5 images I updated. Let me show you how it looks like in the front page. Like I am closing this one, 1, 2, 3, 4. And I am going to the cashier control, login, and drinks. See, there is some few images already came here. Very easiest way you can update all these images. Now you may think about how it will update in the mobile application. See, you can go to drinks. See, it's already came here. Whatever the changes you are doing in this desktop application, it will display. It will automatically update it over here because it is directly connected to this database. So see this one, you can select like the table number 5, place the order like this. See? Very easy, very easiest way. This is the way we can take the order from the mobile application, and there is another option is there, you can do directly from your desktop application. Now this is not I am using the mouse. You can use the touchscreen monitor. It will be more easy for you. For the demonstration purpose, I need a big screen. That's why I use normal monitor. You can use touchscreen monitor. It will be more better. Here there is a fast food option is there. You can select that, and you can select your drinks. These images, you can select it over here. Send the order. See, you can send the order like that. It is a fast billing option, and there's a takeaway option also is there. And you want to print the receipt, okay, of course you will get the receipt also there. See, the receipt immediately it will come. See, it's a beautiful way. So this is the way you can control it. And there is a takeaway is there, a table booking is there. Table booking, whatever we are taking from the Android application, same you can control from here also. This tables, you can select on tables. See, this is the red color is occupied table, and green color is the free, vacant. So from the table also you can take the final billing. I will show you, for example, table number 5, and cash, they have given cash or card, whatever it is, and 7 prints. See, from here also you can take the printouts. So this is the way you can easiest way you can control this application. And this is our office. We are basically in Kerala. Our team is there for installation, training, support, everything. They will connect you with AnyDesk and TeamViewer, and they will give you training. They will give you the installation and your hardware setup like printer, scanner, everything. They will set up for you. Again, any doubts is there, they will help you. And for you, they will upload your menus, like for example, your menu item name. This everything they will help you to upload through Excel sheet. Also, you can upload this menu to your software. So it will be more easy, more better for you. And let me show you the tax also once again. There is many people they will concerned about the tax. Let me show you how this tax system is working. Close it. Let me show you how to add one product so that you will understand the tax system. So go to the administration control panel, categories. Select on categories. Categories. I am making one new category because I am from Kerala. So I will put some Kerala dishes, K-E-R-A-L, Kerala. And VAT I am putting like 12%, whatever it is, depends upon. Category wise tax you can mention. Kitchen, I am selecting one kitchen and I am saving this one. Okay, and here you go to menu items, and first of all let me select that particular category like Kerala, and yeah, meals. Meals, and this rate you can mention here, $100, whatever it is. Currency you can manage as per your country, and this is I mentioned over here. Home delivery rate, takeaway rate, different price you can mention. That's why maybe you can mention here 90 rupees. Takeaway rate, for example, 95. Different price you can mention, and save it. Successfully save it, and from here itself you can update the image, or from here you can upload. Here you will see the Kerala, and click on that meals. See the images is already came here. See like that, easy. So let me come to your front page, like a cashier control. Cashier control is over here. Let me go there. The new category is added here. We just added only one product over here. You can see. I am making some bill over here. See. The KOT came and the invoice also came. The invoice you can see there is a tax percentage is 12. So $100 means 12% plus excluding GST means 112. This is the total tax bill. This is the way you can do the tax bill very easiest way. So depends upon your category, you can control your tax percentage. For installation this software in your computer, in your shop or in your computer, you can directly contact us. The hardware requirement is that like we required at least i3 or i5 processor. Windows 10 is better, and screen resolution at least 1024. Like 1366 also is more better. Let me show you that screen resolution is more convenient. Display settings, this is the resolution, and in small resolution also there is no issues basically. Let me show you. 1024. It will look smaller because some small POS machines the resolution is little less. So let me show you. It will look like that. See, it will look like that. So 1024 also there is no issues. You can use it. So most of the POS machines is coming with the 1024 the screen resolution size. So you can use that thing also. Like SSD hard disk you can install. SSD like a Kingston hard disk is more better. 250 or 500 GB hard disk you can install. 4 GB or 8 GB RAM you can fix it. So we can install this software on your computer. So any help, directly call us 0091 8078 311 945 or 0091 860 60 93 110. Thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you. Bye-bye.